Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Shawna Plant-Based Lifestyle. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and always remember, your health is your wealth. Today I'll be making simple tricolor quinoa. This is a very simple recipe and quinoa is very healthy. It has a lot of protein, so if you're a plant-based eater, you will be concerned about your protein, so you want to make sure you have enough protein on a daily basis. And you can reduce your rice intake because rice has a lot of carbohydrates and less protein. So stay tuned for this simple recipe. Cook my quinoa. I have tricolor organic quinoa, which is gluten-free, and this is a rice replacement. 1 cup of coconut milk, and in the pot I have 2 cups of water and ½ teaspoon salt. Let's kick off this video. My stove is lit at the moment, and I'm going to add my coconut milk. And I will allow this to cook for 5 to 10 minutes. And then we come back and add the quinoa. I washed 1 cup of the quinoa. I'm now going to add it to the pot. And I'll just stir. Put back on my lid and let it cook. So we cook on medium heat until it is ready, and then I'll come back and show you. So I will now put the stove on low and let it steam because most of the water has evaporated, and I just put the lid on, turn on the flame on low and let it simmer down. So see you in a few. Guys, checking in back on my tricolor quinoa, and this is what it looks like. Very nice, and it tastes real good. The coconut milk, you know, is very flavorful. A simple coconut tricolor quinoa recipe. Whether you work out or not, because I do work out, I have to watch my protein intake, and once you're a plant-based eater, you have to watch your protein intake. Thank you for tuning in. Continue to stay tuned to my channel for more and more recipe. Enjoy. Have a good day. Stay blessed.